Hey guys, thank you so much for coming back yet again for another week. Before we get started, make sure you like this video. Let's just get that out of the way. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and tell a friend that a new video is on Gene Loves Plants. Let's get started. So, here's the dealio. It's Saturday, I'm off, I'm going out later tonight dancing, but I'm cleaning up my apartment and I'm like, I got this plant that has been so patiently waiting for me to give it its permanent home. And what I was waiting for was for the propagated parts of the plant to actually grow in too, so that I could have a fuller plant, because that's kind of like always my goal. Excuse me. It is my goal to have a plant that's fuller, healthier, and bushier. And I am so excited about this plant. I'm just gonna show you. This right here is my Philodendron Micans. This is literally they're all my favorite plants, so I don't even know what I'm talking about. But this is literally one of my favorite plants. They say that this is like the little black dress of plants. And what I love about this, I think I've told you about this guy before when I first started propagating it. And I just love these little iridescent leaves. I don't know if you can see that or if it comes through on camera, but they just have these really beautiful leaves that are slightly iridescent. And basically, let me get this little dying leaf out of there. That's what they look like when they're dying. I just wanted to get into a new vessel, and I didn't know if I wanted to buy one, but I had a vessel already, and it had an allocation in it a few years ago. I don't know if you guys remember, it was my Alocasia Pharaoh's mask. I didn't do well with that, but I'm repurposing the pot, and I'm going to repurpose that soil, because Philodendron Micans do like to be moist but not wet during the growing season, and that will be in the spring and the summer, fall and winter. You can allow it to dry out in between waterings. Also, this guy's been doing really well for me because it likes bright and direct light. So I had it under an LED light, and I want to say about last year it wasn't even as big as this, which is what I was propagating. And now look at it. Look at this. I love it. So one of the things I'm going to do is, again, I'm just repurposing this soil. I'm going to keep the soil that it's already in, because that's a really, really good mix. I'm going to add this propagated guy in, or guys, and I'm also going to give it a bamboo pole. And I'm doing that because Philodendron Micans like to climb. Of course, they can hang, but if you allow plants that like to climb, they will give you really big and healthy leaves. So I've got these really nice bamboo poles in the flower market, or the flower market district that I'm around, if I'm ever saying that right. And I like them because they're chic, nice color. Micans, and I'm going to take the soil that's there, and I am going to repurpose it, so it's going to fill in the top. So I want to be really careful. Forgive my ashy hands, but I'm doing man's work. And I'm just breaking up the soil so I can pull these out. It's really interesting because the plant has roots that are not that long, but the propagated plant has really roots. Now this is astonishing because it's just been in water. Now this guy's been in dirt or soil for about a year now. Do you see all these roots? I mean, really? And it's really interesting. Look, this guy's been in water. These leaves are bigger than the one that's been in dirt. Well, substrate. I have let this become a monster. Wow. I think what I'm gonna do is make a little channel for this so that I can just like lay that root. Wow, I didn't expect for the roots to look like this little guy. They were separate. And the idea right now is that I feel like I want it. So the idea right now is that I feel like I want it to climb, but I'm not sure. I like it bushy. Me likes it bushy. So here's the thing, I'm gonna try this out and see if it works, and I'll give you guys an update. So there's roots. There's another plant down here. And this was all underwater. That's like crazy to me. I want to separate it. I think I am. I might be making a mistake. But you'll never know unless you make it, so I'm committing to it. I feel like the roots are going to figure out what they want and make the best decisions for themselves. The plant just keeps like letting me know it's here. Alright. So I'm going to fill it in with the dirt. It was already growing in. I'm not going to tie it to the pole anytime soon, just because I have to monitor the growth. I didn't know that the roots would be so big in some of these propagating, in some of these cuttings. So I'm not going to tie it to the pole anytime soon. I'm not going to tie this girl to the pole anytime soon. I'm going to let her get acclimated to the to her new home, number one, and I'm a little nervous about some of the cuttings. I just wasn't prepared for them to be as long as they were, because the ones obviously that were already in soil were not that long. I mean, I knew they were long, but I wasn't prepared. So I just want to see how it grows in. It's also under a new light, which is not necessarily a grow light. It's just an LED light. So I just want to monitor it, see how it goes. I might have to augment its light, which I'm prepared to do. That's basically it. I just wanted to show you this, guys. I didn't want to replant it without bringing you in to the fold so to speak. And that's it. I am going to probably not water this guy because the soil is pretty damp. I'm just going to clean it up, take some pictures of it, and that's about it. So thank you for being with me this Saturday. Even though it probably won't be Saturday for you, but it's my Saturday, so you're here with me. Thank you. And that is it for now. I'll see you with another video. Please excuse the scruff. It's just a scruffy Saturday. So, hey guys, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can get up-to-date alerts for when I post new things. Make sure you like it. It helps the algorithm, and it will make me very happy. Make sure you like, subscribe, and tell a friend, okay? I love when you guys, when I see new subscribers, I love when you guys comment. I love all that stuff, so keep it coming, and I will see you soon.